It was designed to be enjoyed with friends, preferably at sunset when the palm trees tint the light of the setting sun. The budget was a guideline for the choice of materials, in a solid range of gray, black, and green tones. The facilities are seen as they respond to the concept of the project, which prioritizes avoiding having to make repairs. Its elevation about the ground level is determined by the groundwater level of the area, and thus the rainwater can flow without problems. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas. We'd appreciate it.